Are you up to date with the latest changes in Microsoft Excel with Copilot? I'm Kelly from the 365 Training Hub. Let's take a look. So, where do you find Copilot inside Excel? Hit the Copilot button on the top right of the ribbon, and you'll see the chat pane open down the right-hand side. It says chat only, but if you click on the drop-down arrow, it gives you the option to allow editing or chat only. So choose the mode you want to work in. So what can you do in chat mode? Ask questions about your data. For example, what trends do you see in this? Why did revenue dip in Q3? Summarize this table for a management audience. Those sorts of things are great for Copilot chat. But the edit mode, what does that do? It can add columns or formulas, create calculations, format data, and it will do it for you. You can say, add a column that calculates year-over-year growth. Create a pivot table summarizing sales by region. Edit with Copilot will do those jobs for you. To find out more, get in touch today.